Okay, and hello everyone. I am very happy to stand here and present to you about the topic of our study today, and we are Group 9. Our consists of from member me, Woki, Nyakhui, and Minh Toàn. Let's get to the main topic. In this presentation, I would like to introduce you to the PHP programming language. PHP initially stood for Personal Home Page and later changed to Habitat Preprocessor, is a popular and powerful programming language widely used in developing web applications. With flexible syntax and good interaction with database, PHP allows developers to build dynamic websites and complex web applications. Okay, next we will learn history PHP programming language. The first, PHP was created by Raymond Rudolph in 1994. Initially, it was just a set of code to manage Rudolph's personal page. However, when he realized its potential, Rudolph opened the shell code and developed it into the notable programming language. With the development of the Internet, PHP has become an important tool in building dynamic web pages. Currently, PHP has been developed to PHP 8 version, with many improvements and new features making web application development easier and more efficient. Okay, next we will listen to his presentation about feature of PHP.
So, after my friend talk, we have know what PHP is and the history of it. But what are the main features of hypertext preprocessor that make it really popular? I will show you. First of all, is the simplicity. Not like C or C#, PHP is particularly famous for its simplicity. It is well organized and very easy to use even for the beginner. Secondly, the efficient. PHP is versatile, reliable, and very efficient in programming language. It has great session management and auto-eliminating unnecessary memory allocation. Thirdly, the object-oriented. It supports object-oriented programming feature, and this feature has built-in complex reusable web page and make PHP comparable to other powerful object-oriented languages like Java or Python. Besides the main feature, there are also some others like the security, the fast, the performance. Like my friend said, PHP can be used to develop applications written for the server, open source for general purpose. For example, create website and web-based application, develop dynamic web application, process form and send email. It can also support many database management systems such as MySQL or SQLite. As you can see, the use of PHP is very enormous. Even the largest web platforms like Facebook or Yahoo are also using it in their computing infrastructure.
So for the next part, we're gonna talk about PHP syntax and example. So with PHP syntax, it's pretty similar to C-style syntax. Because a PHP script can be placed anywhere in the document, it needs a way to discriminate PHP code from other elements in the page, and there's 4 ways to do it. So, for the most useful style, the canonical PHP tags start with point brackets, question marks PHP, and end with question mark point brackets. It's the most universal effective PHP stack style.
If you use this style, you can be positive that your tag will always be correctly interpreted, as you can see on the screen. So, for our next three other type of tags, which is short tags, ASC style tag, and also HTML script tags. So, for short open tags, short tags are, as one might expect, the shortest options, but you need to enable short tag before using. For ASP style tag, also known as active server page tag, it mimics the tags used by active server page to decline code block. And last but not least, HTML script tag. So this is just an overview of syntax in PHP. There is much more to be used.
So after my friend presentation, I will give you more information about PHP. So PHP have many advantages, like it's easy to learn, it's large and strong community support. It's integrated well with HTML and other web technologies, high performance and good scalability, and it's quick to start. Although there are many advantages, PHP still has disadvantage. Typically, disadvantage of PHP is less versatility, less debugging options, not the best in terms of security and inclusion. In conclusion, I want to say that PHP is a powerful and flexible programming language for developing web applications. If you are interested in building websites or other web projects, PHP is a great choice because it is optimized for web application, fast, compact, has a syntax similar to C and Java, is easy to learn and has relatively shorter product development time compared to other language. PHP has quickly become popular into the most popular web programming language in the world.